Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be trying to find toxic monkeys inside of Animal Company. Make sure to like, subscribe. Okay, you're in my video, guys. Shout out to this guy. Yeah, shout out him. Me and him are gonna be trying to find toxic monkeys. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that like button. It means a lot to us. I don't know what his YouTube channel is, but yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, join me in a public code. All right.
Sure.
Okay, let's see if we can find any toxic monkeys in space. Okay, let's go.
On a giveaway, guys, giveaway. We'll want
Don't
it.
turn around, guys. We'll want it. Don't turn around.
We'll want it.
Gim,
I'm
gim.
gonna give away.
Gim, gim.
You're never getting here, and you're
What is that?
never going
What is
back.
that?
Wait, bro, I think I saw you on the
Baby.
last lobby.
Okay, let's go. Next one we're going to is this one. Let's go. To the moon! Wrong area. No. Oh, whoa. Okay, you gotta fight back. Yo, why am I so big in space? That's my question. Yo, this is actually scary, yo. This is actually scary. Scary, yo. Okay, now I'm small. Everybody come to space for a war. Okay, let's see people come from space. Let's go, moon. Let's go heal. And then just bing, 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 bing. Yeah. Let's go. Find any. Oh, what was that, bro? How does nobody, like, you know? Look, I'm the only one in space, but nobody's in space, Loki. Loki, let's just go back. I don't know what to say. What is this? What's a big flashlight, bro?
Run.
Oh my god. I wonder what this leads to. Oh, it leads to the exit. Okay, let's see.
People of the main.
What the? I clicked it and it just teleported me. It went.
I don't know how you get back there.
Okay, let's join a
Star,
different
'cause
server.
My hand tracking made me go into
Everybody.
red light blue and I won't let me go back in.
Let's find some bad
Yeah,
monkeys.
neither ask you.
Okay, we're in some code, but don't ask the farts. Don't ask about the farts.
What's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away. Look up and now you look so pretty.
Fucking bomb.
Yo, what? That's crazy. You're crashing out, bro.
I'm in space, you idiot.
Oh, war. Ooh, war. Someone's having a war fight there, yo. No. Black. Yo, Black. I'm recording a video. Man. Oh,
Yo,
leave me
take
alone.
two guys.
I'm not here to kill you. Alright? Hey, bro, I'm not here to kill you, alright? I'm not here. I'm here to kill that team over there. Let's go kill them. I'm ready. Let's go kill them. Yo, Keeper Bro actually lost it. Yo, bro, he just did that. I got him. Frog, I got him. I put him in stash. I put red in stash. He's good. I put him in stash. He actually got mad. Yo, ooh, what's this, bro? Just fly with him. Yo, he has RPGs in his hand. Look, yo, he has RPGs in his hand. Oh my god, he has RPGs in his hand. Well, he had guns. Never mind, he had guns.
How'd you get over him so fast?
Shh.
Wait,
Dude, don't stop. He's trying to kill me, yo. He's trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me. Oh my god, I got him. Oh my god, I got him. He's red watch. He's red watch. Oh, headshot. 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 Headshot 3 times in a row.
Don't wait. I'll get him.
Oh, he's dead. Yo, he's actually dead. He's dead. Okay. Okay, he's dead. Yo, this is actually crazy. This guy's crashing out. Got him. Put him in stash. Put him in stash. Put him in stash.
3 people. That's sad.
This guy's crashing out over nothing. Yo, this guy's crashing out over nothing, yo. This guy said we suck. Yo, when he's the one trash talking, yo. That's crazy. It's crazy this guy's trash talking. Wait, did you put him in stash? Did y'all put him in stash? Y'all put him in
Yeah,
stash?
guys, help me. Guys, help me. Help me put these up.
I know he's coming. I know if he comes, then it's fine. This guy's actually gonna team up, yo. What are you doing? Let's see.
I'm trying to do my controller. It's not working.
Okay.
Come on, walk.
He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. By the way, he's coming back. Oh, wrong one. Hey, wrong one. Hey, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Don't kill him, Black. Don't kill him. That's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Okay. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. The other guy with the skeleton bones. With the skeleton bones. He's coming back. Oh, wait. He was just here. Where is he?
What is he? Which one is he?
He's the red skeleton
Yo,
camping
yo,
on top.
yo.
He's camping on top.
Guys, look at this hot dog.
Oh my god, yo. He died. Yo, oh my god.
Where'd he go?
He's right there.
Who you cooking for, bro?
Oh! Dang, bro. We just got destroyed. It takes 5 people. Got him.
Get him, get him. Put him in, put him in. Oh, dang it.
Trying to kill him.
My freaking boom spear. Guys!
I need this.
He's trying to kill me, yo. If he wants to kill me, then I'm killing him back. It's fine. It doesn't really matter. Wrong one.
Get him, get him. I didn't do anything. Wait, did you get him?
Yeah, we got him. We got him. I'm actually recording this right now. He's actually getting caught, yo.
Oh shit, whoa.
Where'd he go? Ah, be careful. You can get me. You got him. Already?
Oh my, yo, how did he die? Yo, this guy died in only 1 second. It's crazy. Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I need that boom spirit thing to kill this guy.
Look, he can give you one. If he give you one, revive him and he'll give you one.
Can you give me one of the boom spears?
He wants to give you one. He wants you to give him one.
This the red guy keeps killing me and I'm dying and I'm gonna
Who,
kill him.
you mean the skeleton one? The skeleton one?
A few seconds ago.
Oh, he's dead. He's actually getting teamed on.
Yo. Do you own the
I'm getting teamed on.
He's coming. Yeah, I think. I'm gonna end the video. Oh my god! Red Frog, I thought we were teaming.
Ticket.
Ticket. Go kill him. Oh my god. Okay.
So bro, so
Hold up, I'm gonna pause the video real quick because I don't know what was going on. Great. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching.